The technology is developed on the basis of supermodern equipment and excels all existing standards in the indices of durability and longevity, as well as the decorative indices. Scientific development of Kevlar concrete has been done during 1.5 years. As a result, by matching of ratio components and order of their mixing, we succeeded to get vibratory casting methods of manufacturing the architectural concrete, the volume weight of water in which makes only 17%. It means that items from Kevlar concrete have phenomenal high durability, 10 times exceeding durability of usual concrete. Look and be surprised. Such pellets appear in the process of concrete premix making. Getting in a mold on the vibrating table, they begin to melt very quickly, filling all surface. Composition looks like plasticine and not like solution. It is dense, there is no air inside. It's not pervious to water. That's how the already finished item looks. Does it really look like a concrete? It's an artwork. Look, what an amazing glow the product has. And this is without any after treatment, only due to the secrets of new technology. In addition, Kevlar concrete has very high physical and technical properties. High frost resistance, nearly total absence of variability and water absorption, high gas resistance and resistance to penetration of chlorides. It's only some of numerous advantages of Kevlar concrete. The most important peculiarity of the methods is the using of ordinary components applied in the production of usual concrete. It means that raw material will never be a deficit for you everywhere in the world. And the net cost of any cladding stone will not exceed €1 for 1 square meter. To do a similar fireplace, it's necessary to spend only €7 and 2 working hours. Have you already calculated profitability? Well, it's not all. Think. What original decorative constructions, what unusual small architectural forms can be manufactured out of Kevlar concrete. It will become a revolution in modern building and landscape design. The assortment is unlimited. You will be able to realize any idea in reality. Color, style, form, size. These indices don't have limits. Everything from building material to souvenir products, from fences to paving tile, from table to facing tile with any logotype. But it should be separately pointed out that apart from the overall dimensions and area of the element being casted, it's possible to get the color range of different complexity, imitating in such a way the surface of any artificial or natural material, from plastic to a complex pattern of malachite. In a difference from many modern construction materials, the items from Kevlar concrete don't lose color under the action of light and natural phenomena. This suits perfectly well facade revetment of buildings. The coverage with gleaming effect is not only very beautiful, but also absolutely safe. Now you have already understood that the application of a new, without analog equipment, protected by quality certificate and technology of reception of overdense concrete batch will allow your enterprise to produce items with prominent indices. The equipment has a common standard independently from what you want to produce: fireplaces, fences or facing tile. This gives the possibility to have only one set of necessary equipment and to produce hundreds of square meters. Possessing so numerous and obvious advantages, technology of production of Kevlar concrete is so simple, that specialist will teach any person at age from 7 to 70 years only for 3 days, and the production equipment will not occupy a lot of room. A set consists of gravity mixer, vibrating table, and forms which determine the assortment of products. It's possible to produce 50 square meters of product only for 1 working day. Now you possess all necessary information to make a decision about the beginning of new business. The production of high-quality articles, which nowadays don't have analog in the world. So, you are architect of your own fortune.